Assalamu alaikum everyone. All right, so Solana is just amazing, man. I don't believe we're having that Solana like just like the old days we used to have. So here we are, one huge ascending triangle, break above the ascending triangle, no retest as I talked before, and you met the technical target all the way up to $42. And the last update that I left you with was speaking about this rejection right here. So you did actually get rejected momentarily, and all I said as a last comment was that if you break above here, then be ready to have a technical target all the way up to $88. So probably you are looking for an $88 per Solana. Now, whether you go up like this straight to the target or you come down for the retest and then go up, I don't know. Now, here's the thing. If you see Solana doing something like this, and there's one thing you have to be careful about. If Solana does come down to $34, if you see Solana going down to $34, then this is a clear fake out. But I don't think it's a fake out at the moment. I do believe that we're still bullish for Solana at the moment. It's actually looking pretty good. This was your resistance and the supply zone that was rejecting the prices. So you got first touch rejection, second touch rejection here, and you got a little bit of that rejection. But finally, this is a very clear bullish breakout. You've even closed the candle with the green candle, but closing the candle is not still enough. We may see this candle today really may determine what's going to happen next. And if you start to come up to $60, if you try to actually come up to $60, I think it's a straight ticket all the way up to $88. So if today, however, this candle becomes red and you try to go down like this and go down like that, that's a fake out, clear fake out, and then boom, a retracement all the way to the downside. So if this happens, be very careful. If you start to touch $60, or let me just say $59, I think that's it. That's a confirmation of the break and probably a preparation for an $88, because again, this is a very bigger pattern within a pattern. So the pattern number one was a ascending triangle played out. Pattern number two is this one right here, which is probably a rounded bottom, and then boom, a technical target to $88. And that's it for this quick update on Solana. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.